What's up, everybody? Brian Peacock back once again. Epic Outdoor Adventures. Zucchini, squash, pumpkins, melons, cucumbers, the cucurbit family. I see a lot of people complaining that the ants are ruining their plants. Unless you have fire ants, ants do not really harm your plants. Okay? Especially these little we call them piss ants here, but these little black ants, they're the small ones, not the big ones. They are great pollinators. These are one of my best pollinators for my zucchini and my cucumbers. All right, we have a lot of bees as well, and they do their jobs, but the ants really sure do help along as well. They will cover my plants, and I welcome them. All right, unless you have colonies living inside your pots or inside your raised beds, that are really hurting the root systems. Ants usually aerate the soil. They help aerate the soil. They attack some pests. Downfalls of having ants would be that they carry aphids. They mine aphids. So ants will mine aphids. They will bring aphids up on your plants to allow the aphids to eat the green chlorophyll inside your plants, and then the aphids will poop out what is called honeydew, and it is a sweet, sugar-filled liquid secretion that they poo out, and the ants eat it, and it's sugar. So this is why they mine them. Aphids are really easy to get rid of. I have another video, you can go watch that too, back in the channel. But aphids, you can pretty much just squish them, squirt them off with a hose with your finger. Alright, so don't get rid of your ants, guys, unless you have a really huge infestation. Great to have in the garden. Welcome them with love. See you next time. Thanks for subscribing. Peace.